First, some background. Let's just go here. Right now, the number one ranked app in the App Store is TikTok. That is the number one ranked app, and indeed it has been the number one ranked app in the App Store for the past 18 months. So that is higher than Instagram, higher than Facebook, higher than Pinterest. TikTok is the number one app. 1.2 or 1.5, I think it's actually 1.5 billion downloads of that app. All right. And if you aren't aware what the friggin' hell I'm talking about, TikTok is an app that if you spend any time on it will make you feel very, very old. It is an app that has been that used to be called Musical.ly. So music.ly, Musical.ly, and my daughter was obsessed with it for a while and is now obsessed with it, and because they rebranded and it's called TikTok now. Okay, so that's the kind of generation of it, and it's only been TikTok for I think 3 years. It was Musical.ly for 3 years, where it had like 250 million downloads. Then it went to TikTok and it just went off, and it's actually one of the only apps that's not owned by a big company like Facebook, for instance. Okay, so which is interesting. Anyway, should you be on TikTok? I guess is the main question. For that, let me give you a little analogy. 1.5 billion downloads for that particular product. The user base of that product, 51% from memory, so either 51 or 52% of people are under 30. So if you are selling a product to under 30s, or a product that targets under 30s, I would say you'd have to be nuts not to be on TikTok. And right now, they are doing a terrible job of attracting advertisers. So, why is that important? Well, remember, let's say, I don't know, 10 years ago, 2010, if I would have said to you, has anybody actually been on Facebook for 10 years? Can anybody remember 10 years ago what Facebook was like? I mean, it was the wild, wild west. You could pretty much do friggin' anything, and very, very few advertisers, no brands were on it, and everybody thought it's a passing phase, it won't last, okay? Well, TikTok's kind of similar to that. It's right now, it's like Facebook was in 2010. It's the wild, wild west. You can pretty much do friggin' anything on it, and there's an inordinate opportunity because of that. I mean, it's just nuts. I will tell you, I know a couple of AOE members, the lovely Kate Ingham, for instance, who's speaking at our conference. Kate's daughter, Kira, last time I knew, she was doing TikTok for Kate's clients, doing unboxing videos and things like that. And those videos were getting like 330,000 views. Think about that just for a second. A unboxing video on a social media platform like Facebook was getting 330,000 views. There's no way in hell you could match that on Facebook. And that's all for free. That's all for free, okay? It's nuts. Right now, there is a unique opportunity, and I don't even know if you will make many sales from TikTok. I honestly don't know if you will, but what I am doing is this. So my strategy is this. Given that I'm posting videos on Facebook, given that I'm posting videos on Instagram for some of my brands, I'd have to be nuts not to also post those videos on TikTok as well, because what I'm getting is a fan base and a user base that whilst they may not be right now the right demographic for my product, if TikTok sticks around, they will be the right demographic for my product. They will be. So let me give you a little example of that. There's one particular person I'll give you this guy's details. So this guy is a lawyer on TikTok. Doink. Send to all. Anthony Barbuto, the lawyer. He has got 2 million followers, all right? Now, it is fair to say that right now, he's probably, not getting a great deal of work from this particular following. However, as those users age and they start getting married, they start buying houses, they start buying businesses, they start needing contracts, they start getting divorced, and all those other things that lawyers can help you with, then he's already built a fan base of people who know him, like him, trust him, that he can sell to. I mean, 2 million people. He's got videos on here. That's got 996,000 people viewed it. One video. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Oh, Kate says that Kira's got a video, 660,000 videos just about being tall on TikTok, all right? It's pretty nuts. It's pretty crazy. And if you're sitting there thinking, it's beyond me, I don't know how to do it, ask your kids, ask your grandkids, show them your product and ask them to help you make a video about your product. If nothing else, it'll be an awesome thing to do with your kids or your grandkids, to show them and get them to show you how to use it. Get them to set you up. I promise you, if TikTok sticks around, you will seriously thank me for this. It's brand new right now. They're doing a shit job of monetizing the platform, but that will change. That will change. And if it sticks around and becomes like Facebook and you've already got 2 million followers, then hell, that's a whole different level. A whole different level. So, hope you like that. Kind of cool. Kate Ingham says Kira can help with videos. So if you just want Kira, who's Kate's daughter, to do videos for you, then get in touch with Kate. She'll be able to hook you up with Kira, who'll do videos for you, okay? Which is super, super cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.